Effective budgeting is the cornerstone of financial stability and success. By carefully managing income and expenses, individuals can achieve their financial goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. In this guide, we'll explore 10 simple yet powerful strategies to master budgeting and take control of your finances. From tracking expenses and setting clear financial goals to prioritizing saving and avoiding impulse purchases, these strategies provide practical insights and actionable steps to help you create a realistic budget, make informed financial decisions, and ultimately achieve greater financial security and peace of mind. In this video, we will talk about mastering budgeting, 10 simple strategies. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Track your expenses. Keep detailed records of all expenses, regardless of size, using apps or spreadsheets. This keen awareness is vital for effective budgeting, empowering informed financial decisions by understanding where every dollar is allocated. Tracking expenses reveals spending patterns, enabling adjustments for savings or optimization, and provides clarity on where to cut back if necessary, fostering better financial control and awareness of your financial habits and priorities. 2. Create a realistic budget. Develop a budget that accurately reflects income and expenses, prioritizing essentials like rent and utilities while allowing for discretionary spending. A realistic budget serves as a financial roadmap, guiding spending habits to ensure stability and optimal resource allocation in line with your financial realities and goals. It offers a framework for making informed financial decisions, reducing stress, and fostering confidence in managing your finances effectively. 3. Set clear financial goals. Define specific objectives, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Clear, tangible goals provide motivation and direction, driving budgeting efforts toward tangible financial success and long-term security. They serve as benchmarks to track progress and celebrate achievements, inspiring ongoing commitment to financial discipline and empowering you to achieve your financial aspirations with purpose and determination. 4. Prioritize saving. Make saving a top priority by setting aside a portion of your income each month, regardless of the amount. Automate your savings to ensure consistency and discipline in building financial reserves, creating a robust safety net to navigate unforeseen expenses or emergencies with confidence. Prioritizing saving cultivates a healthy financial habit, instilling resilience and flexibility to pursue future financial goals and opportunities with peace of mind. 5. Differentiate wants from needs. Distinguish between essential expenses and discretionary spending, ensuring necessities are addressed before allocating funds for non-essential items or indulgences. By prioritizing needs over wants, you can effectively manage your budget, mitigating the risk of overspending on unnecessary purchases while maintaining financial discipline and control over your financial resources. This distinction fosters mindful spending habits and cultivates a balanced approach to managing your finances responsibly. 6. Use cash envelopes. Allocate cash into designated envelopes for various spending categories, such as groceries or entertainment. Once the allocated cash is spent, refrain from further expenditures in that category, promoting mindful spending and adherence to budget limits. This method encourages accountability and awareness of expenditure patterns, preventing impulsive or excessive spending behaviors and fostering a disciplined approach to managing your finances efficiently. 7. Review and adjust regularly. Routinely review your budget to ensure alignment with your financial goals and current circumstances, making necessary adjustments to accommodate changes in income, expenses, or priorities. Regular assessment and refinement of your budget ensure its relevance and effectiveness as a dynamic tool for managing your finances. It empowers you to make informed decisions, adapt to evolving financial needs and objectives, and maintain control over your financial future with confidence and clarity. 8. Avoid impulse purchases. Implement a waiting period before making non-essential purchases, allowing time to evaluate necessity and impact on your budget. Taking at least 24 hours to deliberate fosters mindful spending habits, aligning purchases with your budget and financial priorities. It reduces the likelihood of impulsive or regrettable expenditures, promoting responsible use of financial resources and intentional allocation of funds towards your long-term goals and priorities. 9. Seek out discounts and deals. Actively pursue opportunities to save money through discounts, coupons, or sales, leveraging cost-saving strategies to optimize your purchasing power. Whether it's opting for generic brands, bulk purchases, or seasonal promotions, consistently seeking savings enhances overall budgeting success and financial well-being. It enables you to stretch your budget further, achieve your financial goals more efficiently, and maintain a balanced approach to managing your finances responsibly and sustainably. 10. Stay accountable. Share your budgeting objectives with a trusted individual or support network for encouragement and accountability, fostering a sense of community and shared commitment to financial responsibility. Regular discussions and check-ins provide valuable feedback and guidance, reinforcing your dedication to achieving financial empowerment and enabling you to navigate challenges or setbacks with resilience and determination. By surrounding yourself with a supportive network of individuals who share your financial goals and values, you can stay motivated, stay on track, and achieve greater success in managing your finances and realizing your long-term financial aspirations. In conclusion, mastering budgeting is not just about managing numbers. It's about empowering yourself to make intentional financial decisions that align with your goals and values. By implementing the strategies outlined in this guide, you can cultivate healthier financial habits, build a stronger financial foundation, and achieve greater control over your financial future. Remember, budgeting is a journey, and it's okay to make adjustments along the way. Stay committed, stay accountable, and stay focused on your long-term financial well-being. With diligence and determination, you can turn your financial aspirations into reality and enjoy a more secure and fulfilling financial life. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks you for watching.